bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it.
Hey, back drop
Anything I
le.
said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show me Gangnam Style, put the gang on it. Twist my finger.
Hi guys, welcome to a brand new vlog. I have started shooting. And the girl has not uploaded the Cape Town vlog. Honestly, you guys, I've been trying to edit it. It is the week, the brand me event. You guys know about that. So today's a Thursday. The event is on Saturday. Vineyard. Yes. We are having our very first event. I am not nervous, honestly. I'm okay. I'm excited. Looking forward to it. So yeah, I found an outfit. I actually started this vlog. I went out with my cousin who were running some errands, and then also doing some vineyard stuff, and then I passed by New Feeling in CBD. I found a cute outfit. I went around looking for a green outfit. I couldn't find anything that said me. So we got a New Feeling in CBD. And when I saw this, I'm like, honey, you are speaking to mine. You were made for me. So yeah, I got this a two-piece. It's like a mini skirt and a cropped blazer situation, but it's tied together. So this is the skirt part. And then this is the blazer, but obviously by now you guys have seen it. So it was 200. It was 200 when I stood in the shop. When I got to the till, the lady gave me back, because I had like 100 billion note and 250 billion notes. She gave me back the 50 bucks. I'm like, oh girl, how much is it? She's like 150. I'm like, yes, we are all about saving coins on this channel. So I can't wait. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. So yeah, I also wanted to plug you guys with this lip gloss. My friend Bagan got me this lip gloss. Please screenshot. Good. So this lip gloss she got from Bisco Hyper. She didn't tell me how much it was. So she just said, you know what? I discovered this lip gloss. I figured you would love it. I have it on right now. And when I tell you I eat, I drink, whatever, and this lip gloss is still on my lips for a couple of hours. I literally probably reapply it once during the day when I'm out. I love it. It's thick. It smells good. This flavor is peach. I don't know if they have other flavors. I have not been to Besco Hyper, but I might pass by there today. So yeah, we are going to run some errands for Vineyard. I did say I need to change my nails. I need to undo my hair. I think I'm gonna do like a little puff situation, but you guys are gonna be with me when we do all that. I think I want to do it tomorrow. So I'm trying to do as much as I can today, so that tomorrow I have very little things to do. Yeah, so we have a menu that we drew. We are going to be preparing that. I don't know who we think we are, but we are going to be preparing that. We are literally doing 70% of this event ourselves, literally. Let's see how it goes. By the grace of God, we will make it. Today there's no sun today, but you know what, I don't mind this weather for Saturday. If it's not too sunny, it's good. I mean, we paid decor. We have a cabana tent, but it's okay. If it's not sunny, it's okay, as long as it doesn't rain and as long as the grass is not wet. We're happy, we're good. This particular weather is very perfect. This particular weather is perfect for pictures, so I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm sure you guys can tell. So let's go run some errands for Vineyard. We're getting food for the most part. We also have our vendors or our sponsors. We need to collect banners. We need to collect all of that, merchandise, whatever. So let's go. I'm happy.
Is up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo go macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my doors. No, go bound.
Emma, please.
As that day comes, as I go, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I can't.
It's raining. I'm sure you can tell. It's a Friday afternoon. I am scared. Okay, I'm a little bit anxious. I am scared or anxious. I don't know, between the two, because of the rain. Obviously, we paid for decor. We paid the venue. We paid the vendors. We paid literally everything we need. We bought stuff. Wait. We bought stuff. There's no room to postpone this event. And it's raining today. I did my hair. I soaked off my nails because I want a fresh new set for tomorrow. My outfit is red. And then it starts raining, like from nowhere. It's raining. There is a 50% chance that it might rain tomorrow. I'm just praying that 50% is from like 2 p.m. you know, because our event is in the morning from like 10 till 1:30. And the more I think of, the more the anxiety creeps in, the more the notifications I'm getting from people who are paying money for their tickets to the event tomorrow. Like, I'm sure they can see that it's raining. I thought that would make people like doubt if the event is gonna happen or not, but the more I think about it, more people are buying tickets today, even though it's raining. Like, it's the determination to support vineyards for me. I love it. Honestly, it's motivating me to continue planning for this event. So let's go get the last things we need, child. Let's go get the last things we need. Then I'm gonna go home. Do my nails, do my hair, and then I'm going to attend my cousin's so Miss Supra, she is part of the Miss Supra National top 30. They are selecting our top 12 today, as well as having a fashion show and talent show. Honestly, I had given up on attending to support my cousin, but she was like, girl, don't give up. Don't give up. I got a VIP ticket for you. I'm like, yes, please. So I have a VIP ticket. I don't have an outfit. I don't have anything. The theme is supposed to be, the theme is elegant something. I don't have that, child. I don't want to lie. I don't have that. So I'm just gonna have to use what I have, more so that it's kind of cold today. Honestly, it is kind of cold, and she said that the venue is really cold. I think it's in our Game City Parkade. So it's really cold. If you know it, you know.
But she doesn't have a ticket for me.
No, are kids even allowed? I don't think so. No, I don't think so, my dear.
I don't trust my neighbors as that day comes. As I watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off, maybe. Maybe we just ain't been on the same.
Yes!
Tell me, mother, why do you always lie to me? Why do you always lie to me? Today, you're going to tell me the truth. You're going to be honest with me. No. You always tell me that I'm beautiful. That I is wrong. Are you always saying that you like me for what I want myself? And what is wrong, mother? What is wrong with my society? What is wrong with social media? I feel so small. I feel so nationalized. I can die. What everyone else is doing. I have listened. I had to. But today, I choose to embrace myself. Because I'm beautiful.
Yes!
I'm worthy. I'm capable. Now watch me as I invade this room. Thank you. Speak. Bye, this night. And please come on stage. Millicent Ramaka. Sabina Sabina.
I literally cannot believe that I am sitting in front of this camera filming myself on the way to the event without a face bit and eyelashes. I can't believe it. So yeah, so you guys know it was raining, right? We had booked a cabana tent, so the decor lady calculated and she's not gonna take long for a cabana and chairs. Fast forward to this morning, it's raining. It literally just stopped like 30 minutes back. It's raining, so Mosadi had to change to a whole tent with draping, which takes longer. She didn't budget her time for that. She only confirmed in the morning whether she can do it. So that means the decor was taking too long. That means we can't do anything. So my cousin and I are literally on our way with the food. We were preparing the food. Like I did tell you guys, 80%, or I don't know if I said 80 or 90 or 70%, we were doing ourselves. Obviously we are doing the admin ourselves. I'm probably just gonna wait by the gate to greet our guests as they come in, give them the welcome drinks and all that. I don't know why. I honestly don't know why we didn't look for 2-3 ladies to do all that on her behalf. I don't know. But yeah, we are almost at the event. At least I don't have really dark under eyes. I forgot my Red Bull. But it's okay. It's okay. We are about to reach the event. Let's see how pretty it looks. I hope it looks pretty. I hope it looks pretty. Let's go. Guys. Oh my god. That's us.
Oh my god, the backdrop.
The backdrop is so cute. Start taking pictures.
Child.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl,
How are you?
that's where I call my home.
Yes.
Whenever you're down, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and you turn that look together. I'm your cousin, hold you for me.
Oh, that's
In your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Hold you for my life.
so busy.
It would be nice if your hair was flying around.
What?
So tight, coming closer. You were there by my side. I wanna be in your life until coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and you turn that look together. I'm your cousin, hold you for me.
Hey guys, I am looking put together today. there's no occasion. There's literally no occasion. I just decided to, you know, apply a little bit of makeup. Today is Monday. We had our event on Saturday. I didn't have the time, or I didn't get the chance to do my makeup for the event. Today we're just gonna return everything that we had to use, everything branding that we had to use from our sponsors. So we're actually just running errands, and I bit my face because, you know what, I feel like on Saturday not doing my makeup, but honestly I just couldn't. It's hot today. It's really hot, guys. Literally Saturday everything was against us. Every single thing was against us. The decor was done really late. The speaker couldn't work. Literally Nyax did like a mic check thing Friday, just so we know that everything is on track. Sharp. She gets to the venue, she's trying to plug things. What doesn't work? The speaker. We tried to find an alternative. We couldn't get a speaker anyway. We couldn't get sound anyway. Imagine. And then the rain. Yeah, the rain. But I'm really happy. Like the crowd, people that came, our guests were lovely guests. Literally, they literally did just that. At least the drinks were flowing, the food was good, the speakers did an amazing job. And Dipuka, girl, our MC was MCing. She was doing the things that needed to be done. Everyone was really happy. Everyone is happy. Not forgetting the cause why we were doing all this. We managed to do it. And honestly, we are really happy. I didn't expect people to show up the way that they did. And honestly, I'm so grateful. What's this man doing? I am so grateful to each and every lady that came, each and every one that brought a +1. I'm happy. I am really, really happy. Like, you guys have no idea how happy I am. And I look pretty today. Thank you. But honestly, I don't even have, I don't have the words. I don't know what to say other than thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. A million times, thank you. People are following our page. People are interested. People are inquiring. When is our next event? People want to come. People want to show up. And I'm really happy. Guys, I am so grateful. Words fail me. Words literally fail me. But I'm grateful. To our sponsors, thank you. I love you. Okay, half heart. I'll do another half with the other hand. Yes, girl, yes. So the girl has changed her outfit because it's 2023, and I will literally change my outfit 3 times a day if I have to. So yeah, we're having a business meeting. Basically, we are at Grand Palm. So I just thought, let me fill you guys in. I'm still the girl from this morning. Is it coming? Is it coming for the pizza?
Hey!
Hey, boy.
No!
Ned, please leave.
It's coming to your side.
Hey. It went. Oh, now we have. Oh no, yikes.
Check this
Yes.
I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 on my eyes. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to keep on, but I can't be. Noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning.
Hi guys, I'm starting a GoFundMe page to buy me new clothes for a new wardrobe. Catch me in 2 months after my after my new stylist has been appointed. One of you lucky people for my transition into beauty. Next.
It's time to leave my life. Then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right yet, I really need time now. I need a friend right now. I really need my now. I need